This is a test of the emergency alert system.
And Allen on the next Rosie O'Donnell Show.
We're on the case and we're chasing her through. Bring back the loot to its rightful place in time. Tell me where in time is Carmen Sandiego. Stop her crime and solve this mystery. Tell me where in time is Carmen Sandiego. We're on the case and we're chasing her through history.
And here's your Time Pilot Squadron leader, Kevin Shinnick. Kevin? Kevin!
Oh, all right, I'm coming. Oh, here we go.
Hey, welcome aboard, Time Pilots. Want you to hang on tight because we got a very big mission, but very little time. So let's begin our journey by meeting today's Time Pilots, starting with Eric Ostrowski. Eric, way to go, buddy. And D.B. Rates. D.B., nice to see you. And Gabe Sheeran. Gabe, come on out here, buddy. Hey, good to see you. All right, welcome aboard, Time Pilots. You heard the mission from the Chief. Let's start by equipping each of you with 100 power points. Very nice. All right, pilots, our nanoprobes have revealed the time and place that Carmen sent Jacqueline Hyde. So let's get things started. Bridge to engine room. Let's warp to the time of the crime.
The McDonald's set, we've got either the set. And our attic treasure bear is Skylar and his companion Lucky Ladybug. These are brand new to QVC.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
.30 p.m. It's the Upsided Talk. Just might win a prize.
Log on to WBNX.com to find out about this week's show.
Good morning.
Hey, Suze. How was your New Year's?
PG-13 starts Wednesday, December 18th.
You lose. I win. You lose again. I win. You lose. This is getting ugly. Oh no, my batteries are dying.
Presenting our longest-lasting Energizer Max ever.
This is a test of the State of Wisconsin Emergency Alert System. This test is now concluded.
Hours a day, every day. Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.
Verizon Wireless. Get the vibrant, full-color Motorola T720 with gaming capability for just $99.99 after trade-in rebate. You'll enjoy the coolest color technology at a price that's lower than ever. So don't wait. Get up and get to your Verizon Wireless communications store and trade up to color today. Verizon Wireless. We never stop working for you.
If you missed.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This emergency alert system.
Last night, a firefight broke out in the Baghdad suburb of Fallujah.
The preceding announcement was brought to you as a public service of your local emergency management office. Our goal is to keep you informed, to keep you safe.
Randy Cosmo!
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
If only.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Butler County in southwest Ohio until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Fairfield, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Monroe. In addition, Mostown, Beckett Ridge, Hughes, Mott, and Pisgah are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday evening for southeastern Indiana. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday evening for southeastern Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
The fantastic.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Waiting for.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Hey, look, everybody, it's Duke, the late-night rescue dog.
Duke, the late-night rescue dog.
Let's ride tomorrow.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a national alert, severe weather, or a local emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the lower Hudson Valley area, and this concludes this test of the emergency alert system. And Mike Series may attack National Bank forecast. Clearing for the overnight. We'll see a low dropping into the upper 20s. Then for your Saturday, mostly sunny, breezy, high of 44 degrees. Clearing cold Saturday night, about 20 degrees. And sunshine on Sunday, high in the mid-40s. 35 degrees in Chappaqua, Brewster's at 34. And it's 39 degrees in Rye. And now another long study of favorite songs, starting with Billy Joel on Westchester and the Hudson Valley's #1 music station, 100.7.
Here, please welcome Mr. Jerry Seinfeld.
Coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a national alert, severe weather, or a local emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the lower Hudson Valley area, and this concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Mike Hughes may have National Bank forecast. Clearing for the overnight. We'll see a low dropping into the upper 20s. Then for your Saturday, mostly sunny, breezy, high of 44 degrees. Clearing cold Saturday night, about 20 degrees. Sunshine on Sunday, high in the mid-40s. 35 degrees in Capital Beach is at 34. And it's 39 degrees in Rye. And now another long city of favorite songs, starting with Billy Joel on Westchester and Hudson Valley's #1 music station, 100.7.
Did not win the weekend sex package or the guilt-free televised sporting event. Thank you for playing.
Here from Chile, flag bearer is an alpine skier. Number of world-class ski resorts in Chile host a World Cup stock. Never, though, have they won a medal in 14 Olympic Winter Games appearances. It is, by the way, a popular spot for American skiers to train in our summer. Lindsey Vonn and others make the stop down there to the resort of Portillo. China is already, I think most people know, a major summer Olympics power, rising in the Winter Games.
The Maryland State Police, at the request of Cecil County Sheriff's Office, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for Hannah Lynn Harrigan. Hannah Lynn Harrigan is further described as being 3 feet and 42 pounds. The child was last seen wearing a pink coat, blue jeans, a black Hello Kitty long-sleeve shirt. The child was last observed at approximately 5:30 p.m. in the area of 5655 Telegraph Road in Elkton, Maryland. This child is believed to have been abducted by Peter Giles Peltier. Peter Giles Peltier, a white male described as being 5 feet 8 inches tall and 160 pounds. Suspect may be wearing a dark coat and a black possible suspect vehicle is a 1995 Ford Mustang convertible, forest green in color with a black roof. The vehicle has damage to the roof and several spots have silver and or black tape bearing Maryland registration 9EFL19. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Cecil County Sheriff's Office at 410-996-5511. Do not take action which could endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child. All immediate inquiries should be directed to call 410-996-5511.
Times. We carry them home. We carry them while they...
He is watering.
No,
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for Ingham County in south central Michigan, Jackson County in south central Michigan, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe squall line capable of producing brief rain-wrapped tornadoes in addition to widespread straight-line wind damage. This dangerous storm was located near Bellevue and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Very damaging winds have been reported in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek with this storm. The most damaging wind should affect Springport shortly. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Jackson, Lansing, Springport, Grass Lake, Concord, Brooklyn, Leopartville, Williamston, Stockbridge, Leslie, Mason, Clark Lake, Waterloo Township, Liberty Township, Michigan Center, Tompkins, Vandercook Lake, Horton. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Squall line tornadoes are often hidden by heavy rain within the squall line. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
another one. Oh, God.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Boone, Carroll, Gallatin, western Grant, northern Owen, Switzerland, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a large tornado was on the ground 5 miles west of Carrollton as reported by spotters. Radar indicated that the tornado-producing storm was moving east at 50 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency. Locations impacted include Carrollton, VB, Warsaw. In addition, another tornadic storm will move into areas immediately south of this storm over the next half hour, affecting northern Owen County and possibly into northwestern Grant County. In addition, Prestonville, General Butler State Park, Braytown, English, Langstaff, Worthville, Easterday, and Kent are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. This includes the following interstate. Interstate 71 between mile markers 40 and 75 in Kentucky. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report tornadoes, final clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for southeastern Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
tornado.
Light on the crowd today, but it's rather.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 555, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Anderson, Franklin, Mercer, and Washington. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
From Oakland.
641. Elmberg about 6:45. So if you're in these areas, you're already in your basement. You know what? Stay there until this storm has passed on through, even though the tornado warning has been allowed to expire and they've reissued with a severe thunderstorm warning. It's
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County and east central Kentucky, southern Henry County and north central Kentucky, northeastern Shelby County and north central Kentucky, until 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newcastle and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will affect the following locations: Bethlehem, Elmberg, Defoe, Flag Fork, Orville, Ottisville, Coles Grove, Peaks Mill, Swallowfield, and Elmville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
Survives, and he comes out and walk out the hospital.
Weeks also told us he is concerned.
Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central DeKalb County and north central Illinois, southern Boone County and north central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County and northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kirkland, or 9 miles south of Belvidere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Keatingstown around 7:20 p.m., Belvidere around 7:25 p.m., Marengo around 7:45 p.m., including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 43 and 56. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.
Stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oak Grove, or 13 miles west of Dillon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, quarter-size hail, and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near, right around 7:40 p.m. Dillon and Floydale around 7:45 p.m. Fort around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include MCLEOD Medical Center. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Goodbye, everyone.
Just a gratuitous insult. Promotional consideration provided by...
Life is 1% inspiration and 99...
A civil authority has issued tornado warning for the following counties/areas. Posey, Indiana. At 8:32 p.m. on April 28, 2017, effective until 8:47 p.m. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. CDT for southern Posey, west central Henderson and north central Union counties. At 8:31 p.m. CDT, the severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Vernon, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon. Tornado, radar indicated hail, 1.75 in. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial...
Hopes. And maybe a chance at greatness.
Home for a few days to decompress. Awaiting him in South Korea, though, is a stage for the world to witness. It's yet another opportunity for this small-town snowboarder to prove that his career is more than just a pipe dream.
Yeah, it's kind of beyond my wildest dreams of where it's taking me, and, you know, now we're going to the Olympics. Like, that's insane, you know, it's crazy.
This is a test of the State of Idaho Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, the system would bring you important information. This test was conducted from the Idaho State Communications Center in Meridian, Idaho, and is now concluded.
U.S. women's hockey player Hillary Knight spends most of her time these days traveling all over the world playing a sport she loves, and when she
We're laying there. I'm like, what kind of animal would you want to be? You know, like an eagle? And she's like, I'd rather be a squirrel. Like it's this really crazy line. That's how boring you are. You guys are like permanently up just talking about like wake up and you're like, there's nothing to do till Thursday. And you just Tuesday. And you watch literally we watch the spider make a web. Can you watch TV? I'm not even kidding. Can you watch TV? No. Nothing. Nothing. No crossword?
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
This is not just any cruise. This is MSC Cruises, one of the largest cruise lines in the world, where every detail is beyond just ordinary. You won't walk on just any stairs. These steps are covered in Swarovski crystals. There's not just one performance to see. There's a different show every night. On an MSC cruise, you won't be served just any meal. You'll enjoy fresh
tornado emergency for Allsboro, Minot, Maud, and Red Rock. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Tishomingo State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Allsboro, Minot, Maud, and Red Rock. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Cherokee, Red Rock, Malone, Posey Loop, Minot, Mount Hesher, Strigley Church, New Bethel, Crooked Oak, and Maud. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Colbert, Alabama.
The new KMOV app. Live, local, free.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency